Welcome back, YouTube. Thought I'd show you a bit more. So I've roughed in all the track mounts, rod holders. This will be a hatch, dry hatch for phone and keys. This will be for the fuse box, battery, just any dry storage or any other storage. Still have to trench these in for the electric motor. Got the handle in there. And then there's these here for the floor. There'll be a box that goes on top for storage and a seat. And a switch panel. And I'll show you a clip of where I started sanding. Show you how we're going here. So I started with this mould, which is a square top. The corner's obviously broken off, and that was to get that shape. A square timber, ran along to get the shape. And then that's just a rough shape. Second design. See, I angled it more, which will bring the hull in closer to the bottom, a bit more angle. So with the second one, just along here, just getting the rough shape for now. I'll show you how I'm shaping it. So I've got a rough shape first. You can see that's this shape, and then I'm taking it down to that. Obviously I have to take more out of that, neaten all those sides up. And then onto the front. I'll give you guys a look on how I'm doing this side to make it match the other side. I'm just starting off with 80 grit, and then I'm going to work down to like 120, smooth it all out. First we just want to get rid of most of the bulk, not too much, because if you take too much it's pretty hard to put back on. So start by doing that. And once you got it rough, fairly rough, we'll hit it with the power sander. Yeah, get it roughly smooth, and then I've got a mould here which I just made myself, obviously. Just whatever shape you think. Put some weight on there. You see the gap through there, so more has to come off there. And then once you get it close, just work all the way along, you'll see. Just knock off the humps and work all the way along. And it should line up. I've given myself a line here to work to, just as a guide, so I don't end up all over the place. Come down that. Down the back here, I've taken the chunk out there, roughly to shape. Now, go with this curve here towards the back. So I've got this PVC, I've bent it, and I'll mark that. Mark the pipe, where it lines up here. Same on the other side. Now once you've got the shape roughly smooth and roughly to the shape, get the straight edge, go along, see there's a hump there, knock that hump out, and just work it right along. So once you've got the shape that you want, whatever it is, I won't bore you with the sanding of the top part. What I've done is angled it a bit this way and this way. It runs off the edge, hopefully anyway, that's the plan. That's pretty much it. Next video with fiberglassing up this, fiberglass this, do the inside, fiberglass this, which is the hatch, the waterproof, that's going to be my mould. Into the hole. And then the lid will go on top, screw on that. So once I do that, it'll fit into there. And then not long after that, I'll be fiberglass in the whole thing, top and bottom. So yeah, if you want to see that, hit subscribe and I'll show you how I do it.